how to fix a leaking garden tap. So you can see here the tap in my garden is leaking quite a lot. So what you need is a washer, and you're going to need a spanner, and the first thing you need to do is to turn off the main water power supply. So I'm going to turn that off right now. Okay, once you have turned off the main water supply, you can get a spanner and we're going to open it here. And we're going to turn it anti-clockwise. We're going to need to take out the old washer. So we're going to take this one out. You probably want to inspect the seat of the tap. You see how bad it is. If the seat is worn out, then we're going to need to reset it. So you can try to use a good quality washer and put it in, see how you go. So I'm just going to use this washer here, see if I have any luck. So I'll put it in here, like so. Now use the spanner and tighten the tap. Now you can try to turn on the main water supply and see if that fixes the problem. Thank you for watching this video.